Everybody, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. All the links are going to be in the bio or in the description or in the comments somewhere. All my targets on AMD hit. Unfortunately, I sold somewhere around here, so I didn't take the full profit. I saw QQQ and SPY and NVDA pushing a little bit to the upside, so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take my profit just in case. So I think I sold at like maybe 10-20% profit, but later that day on Friday, we actually did end up dumping to 138.50, right? This trend here back to this this order block over here. So, I didn't take the full profit. That would have probably been like 100% return. I did end up getting into NVDA calls. So these I might be kind of effed on these, especially because I actually bought them right here at like 142 calls expiring in like 2 weeks. But the problem is, right, this is why you always run your actual trades with confirmation, right? I actually got in about an hour early, and within that hour it dumped, and I was like, damn it, that's what happens. Obviously that's what happens, right? You got to get into your confirmation. But I did want to do a quick TA on Tesla just for you guys. But yeah, all the targets on AMD hit, everything on QQQ hit, right? If you guys were following me, I have some QQQ calls. And I actually got like 40-50% on Friday. I'm gonna sell them all at open today. Where is my, did I clean this chart up? What? I didn't know that I cleaned this up. See? Yeah, see, so my target was here, 526 last Friday. I got into calls like right here. This was right at open. So I bought them right at open. It went from 22, 23 all the way up to here at 526. I think I'm up like 50% or something. So I'm going to sell these QQQs for Tesla. Somebody was looking at Tesla right now. And they were asking if they might buy puts soon. So I wouldn't actually buy puts on Tesla anytime soon unless you actually close a bear candle under, right? Something like this, right? Where you actually close a bear candle under the open of the previous bull candle, right? So right here you opened at what, 39743. So unless you actually manage to close this, right? If you manage to close that on Tesla, then I think it's a good short probably to like a 389, 391. And if that breaks, then you can probably hold it all the way down to like 379. And I'm going to buy puts on this, but again, I'm just waiting for a little bit more confirmation, right? Because you got the stochastic at high, you got the RMACD up here too. And again, if you want the custom indicators, you can just join the Patreon, right? But again, I wouldn't short necessarily Tesla here. I would wait. I don't really think it's on any sort of like resistance, right? So is it? I don't think so, right? I mean, I wouldn't think about shorting until maybe, what's it, 389,858? Yeah, I wouldn't think about shorting until maybe you get up here, 39850, like right there. So, I would maybe think about shorting just because it's like it's like weekly resistance, right? So, I would definitely think about shorting here, right? Just because you got a lot of resistance, right? Actually, you have resistance right now at 390. So, yeah, I would definitely think about opening shorts here, but more of like long term, right? I definitely want to run this long term, like a month out versus like, a couple of days or something. But yeah, in order for me to actually short anything on Tesla, I'd probably wait at minimum for at least a 4-hour candle to close, right? So if you can actually close under this, even this open, what is it, 39633? 39633, cool. So we'll add this. Add alert. Edit 39633 every time, right? So if you actually come down and you actually close under here in the next 3 hours and 25 minutes, then I would consider shorting Tesla for sure, right? For sure. Don't mind me, I'm just peeing right now. But yeah, Tesla looks pretty but I wouldn't consider longing it, right? You just hit resistance, so I'm definitely waiting for more confirmation. SPY looks like SPY, I would say definitely right now, SPY still looks like a short. I'd probably say SPY looks like a short back to like 606 for now, right? Because you've essentially just been trading sideways, but you did come back down and I wouldn't even call it a retest because you haven't officially broken yet. So as of right now, I'm still more bearish, right? Especially because of this candle, right? You close under the open of this bull. So I would think it's probably going back to maybe like the order block. But the major point of break here, your support is going to be right there, right? That's going to be your major support. So, that ends up breaking, I definitely think you keep going a little bit lower. But if you stay above this level, right? Whoops. you stay above here, the 607.20 on the 4 hour, right? Then you're gonna keep pushing towards the upside. You're gonna keep pushing all the way up to like a 610, right? So as of right now, I'm bearish to 606.80, right? That's what I'm looking for at least, right? On the SPY. Yeah, but so far, bearish on SPY, QQQ. I didn't think QQQ actually looked bearish. I don't think so. Yeah, it is. If you close under, right? Here's the open 52545. So I would probably take this down to 524, right? I'd probably look for a 524, but this is right here. If you close under here, right, like a open 52545. If you close under that, then I would definitely consider taking a short, right? Definitely back down to like a 524. Take it down here, and then maybe buy calls here, depending on how it sustains this retest, and then push up, right? But again, we'll see. But as of right now, I'm not gonna be bearish until the next 3 hours and like 3 hours and 23 minutes till this candle closes. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.